first full day out on Skye. So it's going to be a biking day. We're going to ride, we're on the east, we're going to ride across to the west to a place called Uig, which is U-I-G, I'm not sure how you pronounce that.
I think everything's a isn't it? Ooh.
And then we're going to follow the coastline all the way round and back to here, taking in as many sights and scenes as we can on the way.
How many miles roughly?
22 plus extras.
Extras, okay. 45, maybe 50 round mark.
No, it can't be that much.
Excellent. Looking forward to it. This is hard.
That looks really steep. Well, it is really steep. About 3/4 the way around our ride now. Let's come across this beach. There's a mermaid. But I don't know if you can see, but the colour of this sand is amazing. I've not quite seen sand this colour before.
So we're stopping on the little beach that we actually have to ourselves for a chocolate bar. It's like a little slice of heaven here. Just beautiful. So peaceful, so quiet, and we're all alone. Oh.
We love the Alps, but with the Alps you don't get the sea. Here on Skye and in the Highlands you've got the mountains and the sea together. How beautiful! And this is where we're staying, Staffin. Please drive slowly.
And dig. Oh, sublime, baby. Just gorgeous.
It is beautiful.
It's incredible. I have never seen anywhere like it. So, so pretty.
And there we are, circuit done. That's where we started our ride today, going up there. Well, obviously we've got to ride back to the campsite, but yeah, almost back now. Been a fantastic ride. Now, every step of the way, every pedal of the way, there's been something to look at and take photos of. Beautiful, but do it on a kind of a nice sunny day.
Been so lucky, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been a bit cold, even though the sun's out, but yeah, got to have it do it on a clear day.
Lots of sheep, beautiful sheep.
Yeah.
No bleatings. No bleatives.
Go home.
Hang on, I'm thinking of another. No, it's gone.
We're back. That was 27.9 miles. Seem to have lost Michelle, but there she is.
And we're home. Yes! Fabulous bike ride, babe. Well done, you. Happy days.
It was a good one.
It was a really good one. Really enjoyed it. Amazing scenery. Didn't get lost. Did take us quite a while though because I could not stop taking photographs. It's just continuous, wasn't it? But it's just so beautiful. I'm gonna have no memory left on my phone. Getting to grips with the Ramoska. We have potatoes in here, and it's what do you call them? What's potatoes called? Dauphinoise. Flipping hot. Oh, look. It does taste way better than it looks. It's super soft. And then we've got leeks and carrots and cabbage. And then chicken. It's a really healthy dinner. All done in the Ramoska. 50 minutes. Bish bash bosh.
Dinosaur footprint hunting on Staffin Beach. Michelle thinks she's found one here.
That's the heel. And then they look like the toes. It also looks like there's toes going on over here as well, like a small one. But I've just got a funny feeling there's something over there where the green is.